This is the continuation topic. Activity 4, 5, we will just see in this chapter. Activity 4 will say that cells in a root tip here. So, how we need to see here, as from our last class, tissues are most important. I already said that. That means, for example, sugar if we need from plants, from where we will get sugar cane. Sugarcane is a it is a monocot plant and it stores in the plant cells itself. So that group of cells are called as tissues here. So like that example it is there. And fourth activity will say that we will see cells in root tip. Cells in root tip means here you can see one image or the activity. You can see onion. So what it is revealing here are cells in the root similar to that of a leaf. Let us find the cells how they are arranged in the root. So for this we need onion roots. So onion first we need to bring here. So first we need to take a plain glass bottle. So now let I draw here. Just a plain glass bottle we need here, and after that we need to fill the water. How we need to fill here such that the onion roots must submerge half inside the water and half outside the water like this, and the onion we need to put above this glass such that onion must be taken same the base of the glass, so it must fix transparent so that we can see daily how much roots are growing or not. So for this one we need to do here, the larger area of the onion we need to put above the glass, so that day by day if we observe what will happen here, as mentioned in this diagram you can see day by day some of the roots will be grown here, and we need to take some of the roots here. After a completion of that we need to take some of the roots here, some of the roots we need to take, and from the onion tip, so this is called as the tip of the onion roots. These are called as tip of the onion roots, and these we need to take separately, and we need to put over a glass slide here. In a bookstore you can find glass slide here, and just we need to put that tip of the onion roots, and after that one drop of glycerin we need to add. Glycerin is a solution, usually in the movies actors will cry by using this solution only, but we won't use for crying here. It is used for moisture content, to use watery such that these membranes cannot dry up. After that we need to place a cover slip. After placing that we need to focus under microscope. After focusing under microscope what will happen here, we will see some kinds of cell like this. So this is the maximized image from the microscope. So how many you can see here? Three types of zone of cell differentiation, zone of cell alongside, and zone of cell division again. So elongation, differentiation, division, and root tip. So this is the last part of the onion here. So here you can see these tips are there. So these tips is maximized by microscope, so it can give you maximum 4 layers here. How many layers are there here? Zone of differentiation, zone of elongation, zone of division, and root cap. So we can find in case of a root tip of an onion in these forms. So you can see each cells are attached very tightly here such that it will absorb water and minerals from the soil and water, so that it can provided for the entire tree. Next activity it is about activity 5. In this chapter we will learn about the tissues of the plants, how they are useful only, and mangoes you will eat. So mangoes usually they are very sweet in taste. So these mangoes how they are getting sweet, that means they are having tissues which will give sweet in taste. Watermelon will be high of water. How they are getting so many water, so much water here, that means they are they present tissues. Activity 5 I also will explain you clearly that first we need to take growing roots. First we need to see how the roots are grown. Take the onion first, as in the previous activity how it was prepared, that we need to take, and cut the end of the roots here with the permanent marker. That means here at the with the help of the marker here you can see, take the onion used in the previous activity and make a cut end of the roots on a permanent marker. Put the onion bulb on the mouth of the bottle in the same way as you did in the previous activity. Leave the setup for at least 4 to 5 days. So 4 to 5 days we need to put in a bottle. So as in case of like this. So you can see a clear idea on this here. First, before 4 to 5 days, the roots are not grown up, and after 4 to 5 days the roots have grown up vigorously. And then what is the next process we will see here. And leave this setup at least for 4 to 5 days. Take care of that there is enough water in the glass so that roots are submerged here. We need to take care that roots are submerged in the water itself. Otherwise what will happen here, the onion roots will get dry and the water will be at lower edge. So water must touch at least at this area in this activity. And next one here, uh, then we need to answer for these questions here. Did all roots grow in the same manner? All roots grow in the same manner here? No, some are smaller, some are larger. Next one here, what happened to the roots which had been cut off? The roots which had been cut off, they have grown separately again. That means here clearly one example is there. A rose plant, if you see at your home, a rose plant at your home, if it is growing properly, then if you cut at one region, what will happen here, from the other region again branches will be growing like this. So here also we can see main roots are cut down means here sideways roots are growing. Yes, write down your findings and regarding the cut roots and those were not. So the roots which are cut down, they shown side branches also. That means here underground roots are there. This is the plant. Here if you cut down, then sideways branches will be coming. So that we need to remember, and this also we need to remember. We observe that by removing the tip of this onion root having a particular arrangement cells, the growth of the tip of the length will be stopped. So this tip will be stopped, but sometimes it will grow from sideways. And you will observe the cells are present in the groups. Always cells are present in the group and nearby, and they are having very similar structure also, and they will perform the same function. So roots in the cells, the cells in the roots will have same cells, grouped cells here, same structure will be there and having same function. So the group of cells which will having a same cells, same structure will function the same function, they are called as tissues. Now you will understand that you have understood this about tissues. What is that here? When you cut that onion roots here, again onion roots only grown. So that means cells are grouped, cells are having same function, cells are having same structure. So same function, same structure. Any cell are grouped together and having same function, same structure, they are called as tissues. So to say that only we have completed about this one. And again we have some conversation about that. How do plants grow if tips have been cut off? Sideways again roots will be coming, so that it will be making. He said branches will grow the sides. Yes, branches will be growing from the sides here. If a branch is cut down, then new branch will be growing from another side here. Later, she saw another gardener watering a stump. She went there and asked, "Why are you watering the stump?" So, the stump will soon bear leaves. So, if we make the stump water, that means any branch which has been cut down, any branch which has been cut down, what will happen here? It will grow side branches here, like this. Side branches will, main branch will be cut off, but side branches will be grown. Harita had said, Harita is a character here. Characters need not to remember, only just we are going into the topic. Harita had a question in her mind. How will the leaves come? Do you know the answer? How will the leaves come here now? With the help of some activities we need to know, and real activities from here will start. Understood? Earlier what we have done, activities like this here, these are all performed in the laboratory. At home also you can perform some of the activities here. So next topic is most important. Why? Because it will explain us types of tissues. Different types of tissues are there here. How flowers will grow, how roots will grow, how stem will grow, how leaves will grow. These are all answers will be there in the next coming class.